My name is Adela. I'm a white woman, 30 years old. I have medium length brown hair, brown eyes, and I wear red glasses. And today I'm wearing a blue and white striped button-up shirt that is visible on the camera. And I have a white plain background behind me. And I'm also a person living with a rare disease and disability myself. Okay, so I'll give you some basic but very important information on what to think about when organizing an in-person event. And as my colleague Andre said in the beginning, it's a journey. And so take it step by step and especially plan in advance when planning an event. Okay, next slide, please. So if you are planning an in-person event, the work starts way before the event itself. It starts by thinking about accessibility features you need so everyone feels welcomed and have their needs met. You also need to make sure that the process to request accommodations for the event for participants is clear, smooth, and not stressful. And last but not least, very important, the way you advertise your event will influence if people will decide to participate or not. So make sure that your invitation is accessible and that you mention that accessibility features will be present. And so you know that you ensure a smooth participation for all. And because if that's not written in the invitation, it can put an additional stress to participants with disabilities who then won't be sure if they're even able to fully participate. Next slide, please. So if you are planning an in-person event, it begins with considering, the accessibility features. And when we think of accessibility, we very often think, or the first thing that pops up in our mind is the physical architectural accessibility, which is ramps, lifts for individuals using wheelchairs or with mobility issues, which is true and very important, but it only starts with this. So when we think about physical accessibility, make sure that your venue is physically accessible, which means that it includes ramps, elevators, and accessible routes. And don't hesitate also to check the compliance with your local regulations, as this may vary from country to country. It's also great to designate accessible parking spots near the entrance. Restrooms as well, accessible, clearly signed. And what is very useful on the European level is what we call the Euro key, or the British version of Radar key, that we find very often in public institutions that allow users to open facilities without asking for the key. You can have the key yourself and open the door. So next slide, please. So you need to make sure as well that the seating is accessible. So you can plan seating for individuals using wheelchairs, walkers, different mobility aids, and for their companions. Make sure that there is space to move freely, to turn around, that it's not, very tight. And there's also one point that is very important and very often forgotten when organizing inclusive, accessible venues and events. And what we see very often, even in venues that claim to be fully accessible and inclusive, is that during catering, it includes, those high tables. So ensure that seating options are available, and you can provide high chairs that go with the high tables for individuals who cannot stand for extended periods of times, but also provide standard seating lower nearby for people using wheelchairs, walkers, or wheelchairs without the lift. Nowadays, technology is great, so some wheelchairs have the lift included, so people can actually go to the high of a bar table, but not everyone. So provide also a standard seating that is lower. An extra tip for you is to encourage movement, and even in the invitation, if that's possible, So you can let attendees know that they can move freely during sessions, which, reduces the need to sit in one place for extended periods, which can be very difficult for some people. It can help with physical discomfort or sensory sensitivities. Regarding the visual accessibility, it's crucial to ensure that all signage uses high contrast, as James already mentioned, and includes Braille to assist those with visual impairments. We should also offer human assistance or orientation to help individuals navigate the space effectively. And materials should be also available in large print, Braille, screen reader compatible formats. And when presenting, you can use high contrast slides and provide verbal descriptions of images or visual elements to ensure everyone can follow along. Also, what is great with technology is tactile maps. You can use tactile maps of the area that are great to implement. And nowadays, with the existence of 3D printers, it's very easy to make, actually. So not only the venue area, but also it's great to have at the entrance of the accessible bathroom, for example, for better orientation. So people with visual impairments, when they are using bathroom, they know at which side there is a sink, if there are towels, etc. So for audio accessibility, providing sign language interpreters is important for those who are living with hearing impairment. Also, you can provide real-time captions for presentations and videos, so you can ensure that everyone can access the spoken content. For those using hearing aids, this was mentioned here as well, induction loops are used very often, also known as hearing loops. These are assistive listening systems that are used at events for people who use hearing aids or cochlear implants, so they can better hear and understand the sound in noisy environments. So they work by transmitting audio experience by improving the clarity and the reducing the background noise. Okay, next slide, please. For those living with cognitive and learning disabilities, it's essential to use plain language and avoid complex instructions. This was said here as well. If you can avoid using complex, difficult language, it's always better for everyone. You can also provide documents that are what we call easy to read and that are well structured. You can incorporate visual supports like icons, pictograms, and images. What is great also is creating quiet spaces for sensory breaks, which can also help individuals who may become overwhelmed by stimulation. But from our experience, those quiet spaces benefit very often everyone, as participating in these kind of huge venues and conferences might be quite overwhelming for everyone, and we all need a break. Next slide, please. So sensory accessibility, you can establish low stimulation zones with low lighting and minimal noise to accommodate those with sensitive or sensory input. You can avoid loud sounds and flashing lights. This is very important. This might be harmful for individuals living with epilepsy, or you always need to make sure that you provide a flashing light alert beforehand. So those who are concerned can either leave the room or plan accordingly. You can also avoid crowded areas to prevent discomfort and offer flexible seating options. As I said, the same extra tip that I mentioned for the physical accessibility, it can benefit many people. And maybe some people can choose, less crowded spaces if needed. Next slide, please. Also, we shouldn't forget about the catering, as I mentioned, dietary needs and allergies. You should provide food options that have various dietary restrictions, such as gluten-free, vegan, nut-free options. And make sure that you clearly label food ingredients to help people make informed decisions and avoid potential danger. Next slide, please. And last but not least, technology and tools that we've heard from our other two colleagues. Ensure that technology and tools that you are using are accessible. If you are creating an application that is specific to your conference or your venue, your event, provide app that is easy to read with screen readers, voice commands that accommodate diverse needs. Consider also offering hybrid events that combine online and in-person formats to maximize the accessibility, and you can also reach a broader audience with this for people who cannot travel for various reasons or need or want to participate online from home.